Namaskar, this is class number 24. I am Shri Shalendra Kumar Mishra speaking from Puri. I am conducting a spoken English class here. Through this class, I feel I will able to speak English perfectly side by side my viewers also, viewers মানে দর্শক also. It is the video is meant for kids and old man side by side, women also, for women also, those who are inside the room or inside his house and less work, they can get profit out of this video. Because to speak English, we have to remember many things about the grammar. Grammar means grammar is a vast chapter. To speak English, we should follow the grammar slightly, because at the time of speaking, when we are speaking our Matrubhasha in Odia, we are not giving that type of focus to our grammar, Odia grammar. So that grammar is also necessary for this spoken English, but somehow we may avoid that. We should learn something in English, grammar, side by side, verb, tense. It is very necessary to know about the tense. Without tense, we cannot know, we are not able to know where we are, and according to our tense, we have to form the sentences in our mind. Then it is our work to deliver in voice in front of others. So necessary for speaking English is very much in our country. When we are going to airport, there we observe that all are speaking in English, though they are very well known to Hindi, but they are not speaking in Hindi also. They are also always speaking in English. If you will not able to speak English in front of them, then we will feel some embarrassing situation might come. We will feel embarrassed. Embarrassed means ଅପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ, ଯେଉଁଠିକି ଅପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ଆମେ ହେଇଯାଏ, ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ଲାଜ ମାଡ଼େ ଯେ ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିପାରୁନୁ, we are not speaking, we are not able to speak English. So that the situation which comes to our in front of us, that is called embarrassing situation, ମାନେ ଅପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ପରିସ୍ଥିତି. That is also a situation. We should avoid that type of situation also. Here we are standing to speak or to increase our vocabularies and the style of English also. And we also always put our brain or put our mind to create good sentences, correct sentences, and side by side small sentences also, which will be able to remember for a long time. This is our introduction. Then we will come to the subject round, means chapter round, subject round, where we will learn about how to make a sentence at the time of speaking. There are some sentences in the board. So by using that sentences, we can form a sentence which we want. That is like this. We are now learning about avastha suchaka vakya, means what type of situation we are facing at the time of work. There is a subject, there is a verb, there is a object, there is adjective. Subject, verb, objective and adjective. In this way we have to make the sentence. आमे लोकटी को युवक थिबार देखिलु तामाने मो लोकटी के देखिलु से युवक थिबार देखिलु युवक से अछि कामटी सरी जाइछि the work is not in going process the work is finished. We have observed that the man is young. आमे लोकटी को युवक थिबार देखिलु. We found the man young. We एला subject, found एला verb, the man एला object, young एला adjective. Adjective माने विशेषण को इंग्लिश रे ओडिया रे कहंती. भल लोक खराब लोक ज्ञानी लोक जे कौन से पूर्व लगे ऑब्जेक्ट पूर्व से आम कहे एडजेक्टिव से वार्ड टी ये यंग टाला मैन विशेषण खाली मैन कही मैन मनीष को बुझाए यंग मैन माने युवक से एडजेक्टिव से तार तेणु एडजेक्टिव हियर एडजेक्टिव इज यंग आम बाक्सटी खाली थिबार देखिलु. We found the box empty. We found आम देखिलु past indefinite आमे देखिलु the box empty. आमे बॉक्स टी खाली थिबार देखिलु कामटी आम सरी जाइछि तेणु एठी आईएनजी हवा जोग हवार किछि स्थिति नाही तेणु आमे बाक्सटी खाली थिबार देखिलु we found the box empty. मु प्रश्न गुड़िक सहज थिबार देखिली. आई एला सब्जेक्ट फाउंड एला वर्ब क्वेश्चन एला ऑब्जेक्ट इजी क्वेश्चन एला क्वेश्चन रे एडजेक्टिव एला इजी क्वेश्चन और डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन. दीज आर द एडजेक्टिव वर्ड्स. वी फाउंड द क्वेश्चन इजी. आमे प्रश्न टी देखिलु ता सहज. तुमे सड़क शून्य थिबार देखिल. तुम्हें सड़क शून्य थिबार देखिल माने सड़कटा पूरा सुनसान हो. वी फाउंड द रोड डेजर्टेड. डेजर्टेड माने जमती डेजर्ट आम क्या कहे जो खाली बाली थाए मरुभूमि जो लोक न था डेजर्ट कह जाए. तेणु से डेजर्ट भाई आमको लगुच गोटे मरुभूमि लगुच जो बेस कई लोक ना आम केवल एका. तुम्हें सड़क जनशून्य थिबार देखिल. यू फाउंड द रोड डेजर्टेड. डेजर्टेड माने जनशून्य बा मरुभूमि परी देखा जाए. आमे तांको माड़ होइथिबार देखिलु. आमे तांको माड़ होइथिबार देखिलु. एटी आमे हला सब्जेक्ट होइथिबा तांको हला ऑब्जेक्ट बीटिन. आमे तांको माड़ होइथिबार देखिलु. वी फाउंड हिम बीटिन. मु कोठरी खाली थिबार देखिली. आई फाउंड द रूम वैकेंट. आई फाउंड द रूम वैकेंट है खाली. रूम है कोठरी फाउंड है देखिलु. मु बहीटी चिरी जाइथिबार देखिली. आई फाउंड द बुक टर्न. टर्न टा चिरी जाइछि. मु बहीटी चिरी जाइथिबार देखिली. आई फाउंड द बुक टर्न. टर्न टा एडजेक्टिव. बुक टी खाली भल बुक हैज ऑलरेडी बीन डिस्ट्रॉयड. एटी बुक टी चिरी जाइछि तेणु तार एडजेक्टिव है बुक चिरी जाइछि टर्न. से माने तांको माड़ होइथिबार देखिले. दे फाउंड हिम बीटिन. से माने तांको माड़ होइथिबार देखिले. दे फाउंड हिम बीटिन. मु अंकटी कष्ट थिबार देखिली. अंकटा बेले कष्ट पड़े इजी भी पड़े. मु अंकटी कष्ट थिबार देखिली. आई फाउंड द सम डिफिकल्ट. और आई फाउंड द सम इजी. कष्ट दिन सहज होता तो इजी लगे. आमे ताकू क्लांत थिबार देखिलु. वी फाउंड हिम टायर्ड. टायर्ड माने क्लांत. टायर्ड टायर्ड टायर्ड. आमे ताकू क्लांत थिबार देखिलु. वी फाउंड हिम टायर्ड. मु फूल उड़ी जाउथिबार देखिली. आई फाउंड द फ्लावर फेडेड. फेडेड ला मौली गला. फेड फेडेड फेडेड. प्रकृत क्या फेड से डी लगी. आम गछटी टली पड़ार देखिलु. वी फाउंड द ट्री फॉलन. आम गछटी देखिलु से पड़ी जाइछि. एंड वी हैव इन दिस वे वी हैव ऑलरेडी फिनिश आवर चैप्टर राउंड. from where we collect some sentences and try to make it English or translate to English the Odia sentence to English, to translate the sentence Odia sentence to English sentence. This we have already covered. So that this is our class number 24. We have already covered 23 classes. Out of that classes, we know many things about grammar and tense also. Now I will speak you a story. There was a king and a clever minister also. He had a small state, and the king and ministers were traveling in guise around the state only to know the situation of their citizen. Once king asked to his minister why the father and his son always remaining happy. What is the reason behind it? I am observing that all citizens in our state are not happy like them. So that please verify the situation and let me know what is the cause behind his happiness. Then after 1 or 2 days, the minister won 99 numbers of golden coins from the king. Then the king gave the 99 numbers of coins to the minister in a box, and the minister took away the box to that person, to that father and son's house, and kept in front of his gate. When next morning, his father saw that there is a box laying in front of his gate. He opened the box and called his son and said, "These are the golden coins, gold coins in the box. Who was kept here? I don't know. So that we should accept the gold coins." And inside their house, they started to count the golden coins and came to know that there were 99 numbers of coins. And the father asked his son, "Where is another one?" The son said, "I don't know. You box, and there were only 99 numbers of coins, so that how can I know the another one?" So that we have to fulfill the numbers 99 to 100. So they started working here and there and earning some money to fulfill their aim. And after 1 or 2 days, the king again saw the house. There was no person inside the gate, and he asked his minister where the son and father were. The minister said that you had given me 99 numbers of coins, and I had kept that box near the gate. Perhaps they got that, and only to fulfill the one numbers of coin which makes which makes the 100 numbers of coin, so that they are now out of house, they are working hard to fulfill their aim, that one number of coin. Here the minister said to the king that only to collect one number of coin. Now the father and the son are busy in their work. So all types of happiness gone away from his house. They are suffering a fever. This is nothing. This is a disease. The name of disease is they are suffering 99 fever 99. The name of the disease is fever 99. As they are suffering from fever 99, so they are collecting the one number of coin from the market by doing hard work. So now they are not inside the house. They are always wandering work and to earn money and to fulfill their aim, that they have got 99 numbers of coins, and when they will get the single one, and they will be the owner of 100 numbers of coin. So now they are not inside the house. They are always wandering work and to earn money and to fulfill their aim, that they have got 99 numbers of coins, and when they will get the single one, and they will be the owner of 100 numbers of coin. So that only to fulfill his aim they are wandering, so that they are unhappy, they are not now in their residence. So that this type of fever is very danger to a human being. They are already, the father and the son, they are converted to miser. They are giving nothing to a thing to another person, because their want is one coin, only one coin. Out of one coin they are laboring very hard. Only to get one coin they are sacrificing their happiness and joys also. Don't run after one coin. Always try to make you busy, and always try to give others, always try to give dress, food, shelter to others, because we all are the son of God. We all believe that there is someone in the Swarg. In Hindu Dharma we believe God. God has done all these things, made father of us, so that without his knowledge no one can move from one place to another. We have also a faith upon God. We should do faith upon God. Side by side we have to do something for the society, for the welfare of the society, for the welfare of our friends, for the welfare of our family, and for the welfare for others' family also. And side by side we should pray always in a particular time, every day. Pray always doesn't mean that you should pray always without doing any work. We should pray in a particular time to our God, that makes our mind perfect and cool. If we will make our mind perfect and cool, then good things will come to our mind, and out of that things we may go ahead. So that we should always be kind for the state and the society and our nation also. Thank you. Namaskar.